Hello and welcome to this tutorial for our HubSpot CRM Enrich Your Phantom, which we've built to help you migrate enriched data into HubSpot CRM within seconds. We all know the importance of having a rich and up-to-date CRM in order to gain better insights into your prospects and to open up as many channels of communication as possible for your sales outreach. So we wanted to build this Phantom to help you transport that data, whether it's from your own files or data that you've extracted with some of our Phantoms. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is connect the Phantom to your HubSpot account using your API key. And that can be found by going into your account. This is mine. As you can see, the contacts are very empty at the minute, which is what we want to change. Go to the settings of your account, scroll down to integrations and API key. If you've never generated one before for your account, you're just going to have to create one by clicking here. And it will automatically be generated. You can then copy it and paste it into your Phantom setup and click Save. Now, this is where you give the Phantom the file that you want to import your contacts from. So again, you can paste the URL of your own Google Sheets file, or you can chain the Phantom to one of your other Phantoms, which is what I'm going to do. I want to use my LinkedIn Profile Scraper Phantoms results file. That's where all of my enriched contact data is. Now, as you can see, then you need to map each HubSpot property to the property in your results file that's relevant. So for example, email. This one's automatically filled in when I connected it to my profile scraper. It's connected to the mail column. So that's what we're going to use, the column titles. As you can see, this is the mail column. So this is where it's going to take the emails from. Now, I actually want to change this because this mail column, it is for the most part personal emails if they're your first degree connections, and I want to use the professional emails that I've extracted using PhantomBuster's email discovery service. So I'm going to use mail from job contact. That's this column. I'm going to take that back to my Phantom setup and paste it in there. Now we need first name, last name. Again, find the right column header. Now, these fields are case sensitive, so you want to make sure that you're using the right case. I can fill this one in. And you've got all the other properties here. I've filled in most of the rest to save us some time, but you've got job title, company, right the way down to website and address. You can also, if you like, add in an extra property that you don't find here. For example, say that I want to use Twitter. You can see here that my column title is Twitter. What I first need to do is I need to find the internal name on HubSpot for that property. And to do that, we're going to go back into our settings and scroll down to data management and properties. Here is where you'll find every property available on HubSpot listed. You can search for the one that you want. For example, I want Twitter. You can click on it and then click on this symbol to find its internal name. There we go, Twitter handle. So I'm going to type that in here. And then a colon, space, and my column name, which was simply Twitter. If you like, you even can create your own property in HubSpot by clicking here on Create Property. For example, say I wanted Instagram handle, then select the group that's going to be contact information, field type, single line text, create. Now I can search for that and it will appear right here. And again, I'll find the internal name here. HubSpot has generated that itself. And you can type that into here just on the next line if you want to insert it into your Phantom setup. Now I don't have Instagram usernames in my results file, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to save and move on to the next stop. Now with behavior, you can decide whether you want to create only new contacts in your HubSpot CRM, whether you want to update contacts that are existing there already, or you want to do both. I'm going to do both. Click Save and Save and Close. And then you can launch the Phantom. Now again, just to show you, we did see that my HubSpot CRM was empty. The Phantom will run. It takes only a matter of seconds, 10 seconds. And now whenever I refresh my page, there we go. That's all of my contacts import it into my HubSpot CRM with email, job title, company name, website, even Twitter username where it's available. And that's everything. So well done if you've made it this far. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more tutorials and watch any other videos that you need to help set up your other Phantoms. Have a great day.